So I am cooking again. Surprise, surprise. Don't worry about the kids. My husband's got them. I am working the next 2 days, so I have food. We just cooked, so we have food for like tomorrow, but I didn't want to have to come home tomorrow night and like cook, and because sometimes I come home late. So the best way to prepare and not cheat is to meal prep. I love it. So I'll show you what I'm making. So I have some burgers going. We still had these left over from camping, and although I am like burgered out at the moment, I'm not gonna let them go to waste, and I didn't want to refreeze them. So I'm gonna make some type of meal prep with these burger patties because I have them, they're defrosted, and I'm not gonna go spend money. So I'm just cooking these up and we'll see what I come up with. So I had a head of lettuce in my fridge, so I went ahead and chopped that up. I guess I'm gonna make like Big Mac burger bowls. Okay, then I put a piece of cheddar cheese on top of each burger patty. Now let's make the secret sauce. Let's make secret sauce for all of these. I just do yellow mustard, sugar-free ketchup, and mayo. That's it. Maybe about a tablespoon of mayo, teaspoon of mustard. You're just gonna stir these up, and there you go. Super simple homemade secret sauce. And there you go. Keto meal prep burger bowls. Burger, cheese, pickles, lettuce, and little secret sauce. So we got meals for the next couple of days in like 20 minutes.